All right, everyone. I was having trouble with my 2009 Chevy Malibu. This is a car I used to go back and forth to work. So what was happening is I would get on the highway and it act like it didn't want to go past 45. And if I ease up off the gas a little bit and pressed it down, then it would, it would shift up and, get into a higher gear to eventually reach 60, 70, 80 miles an hour. So what I tried doing at first, I tried changing spark plugs, change the oil, reset the computer, change the air filter out, and clean the air filter engine bay and stuff like that. That didn't work. I was about to put I'm still do it, but I was gonna put a what you call it, a exhaust manifold on it because mine's is cracked, and they were saying that maybe it was losing power because of that exhaust manifold. So I bought one on eBay for like $270. I got that in the trunk. I haven't put it on yet, but changing out my mass airflow sensor, that worked. I've driven on the highway a few times since changing this out. What I did, I cleaned out I cleaned the air filter and swapped out the mass airflow sensor, and now it gives me less hesitation when it starts up. It has no problem getting up to 60, 70, 80 miles an hour on the highway now. So, and that noise is just the exhaust manifold just needs to be changed. So after I change that, the car will be pretty much, I'm not gonna say running like new, but other than this problem, I haven't had that many issues out of this car. So if anybody's had that issue, the mass airflow sensor didn't cost that much. It costed me about $40 from AutoZone. So even if it doesn't work, hey, it's just $40. I end up spending $270 on that exhaust manifold because it comes attached with a Cadillac converter. So that's why I bought one on the cheap end. They usually like a good one is like $500, but I bought one with the cheaper models. So hopefully this video helps out somebody. Thanks for checking out the video. Peace out.